Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? It's me, Teacher Saif. So today we will learn the correct pronunciation of 4 words. Okay. Here you see I have written 3 words in black and 1 word in red. Okay. Firstly, we'll see the wrong pronunciation. Ibarara ki mata 1, right? Okay. Ibarara ki mata own. Iba entrepreneur, iba interesting, iba restaurant, right? Bozdono hotin dela mata. But these are the pronunciation are completely wrong. Mata ino ide biagun mang. So ohanara so mata same. The first one is one. One. On no hoiba no one. One mane nangion. Hoiba diba I won the match. I kala won the nangi. I won the match. Okay. Second one, entrepreneur is wrong. So in mata over there, entrepreneur, 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 entrepreneur. Do you know the meaning of this word? Entrepreneur means like businessman. You can be entrepreneur. I can be an entrepreneur. Okay. Number 3, interesting, right? Mata mang. Mati bode interesting, interest, interesting. The movie was interesting. Mane film sundorashil. Buzi bhai jana hotarada halako film sadigyo film sundorashil. The movie was interesting. Okay. Ekan zagat gutte gyo zagam beshi sundorashil gom lagile ana ki hobo. The place was interesting. The place was interesting. Okay. Last review. Restaurant. Matamang. Ema diwa restaurant. Okay. The food of the restaurant was very delicious. Mane restaurant yana hanagin bishi mojashil. The food of the restaurant was very delicious. Delicious mane moza. Delicious mane moza. Okay. Ekima dibo one entrepreneur, interesting, restaurant. Again, one entrepreneur, interesting, restaurant. Okay, that's all for today. See you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.